So this is my 06 Softail Standard. It's all medieval theme, as I guess you could guess. And that's South African wood, hand carved. It says Harley Davidson in ancient runes. Scottish coat of arms. Overlapping heat shields. Make look like armor plate. Medieval mace foot pegs. Daggers that fold down. I use them as highway pegs. The front of the air cleaner lights up and it says, "Fear this," in ancient Viking runes. Chainmail on the bike is actually done by a helper of mine in the sheet metal trade named Nick Bigalow. He did all the chainmail. And the paint is done by Robert Woodbury out of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. First vehicle he's ever painted, although he's well known for painting, just not for vehicles yet. It's a Victory jackpot headlight off the Victory bike. Chose it because it already had the shape of a helmet, so I made it so. Gauntlets were commissioned out to Thack of Ontario, Thack Ironworks. They're the only ones I know of that are on a motorcycle. Thack Ironworks does absolutely top-notch work. And as you can see, there's medieval tortures all over the tank. Horn cover was designed by myself and lasered out to make it look like another helmet. Piece of black chainmail in behind. Little battle axe shifter. Handmade by myself as well. Gas gauge. Speedometer. Gas cap. The seat's made out of caiman, which is from the alligator family, just a smaller animal. Farmed, of course. Chainmail spider web. Again, Nick had his hand at that. There's a lot of hidden ghost faces everywhere in the paint. Frenched in taillight. First time I've ever done that. Grind seam choppers supplied, which are usually used for brake lights. I decided to use them for signals because I Frenched in my taillight. So there it is. My 06 Medieval Softail Standard Harley. And I call it Tyrant. That's it. That's my ride.